As with other applications in the Office 2013 suite, Microsoft Excel 2013 is theme aware. When we were formatting with cell styles, I formatted this worksheet using theme cell styles. The reason for this is that these styles will then change if the theme is changed, so that the colors used will always match the theme. I also formatted this chart using a theme color scheme, so you can see what happens when I change my theme. To change the theme for this particular worksheet, I'll choose Page Layout and then click Themes. I'm going to mouse over each of these themes in turn, and you'll see that each of these themes has a different effect on the underlying worksheet. In some cases, the font and the font size changes. In all cases, the colors change. And for my chart, the chart look is going to change. Some of these themes are very dimensional, and others are a little more conservative. When I see a theme that I want to use with my data, I can click to apply it to the data. Now, in addition to changing the theme, it's also possible to simply change a color scheme. So we're using a particular theme right now, but we can change the color scheme that the theme uses by selecting a different color scheme from the list here. It's also possible to change the font scheme, which is the combination of fonts used in the worksheet. As I mouse over each of these in turn, you'll see this particular font combination applied to the worksheet underneath. If I find a combination I like, I can click it to apply it. There are also a series of effects. Now these are going to particularly be apparent on the chart, because I formatted the chart with quite an interesting effect to start off with. We've actually seen quite a lot of change with the chart when we choose a different effect. If you've got a very conservatively formatted chart, you may not see these effects having a big difference on the chart itself. I'm going to choose this grunge effect, so I'll click it to apply it to my worksheet. If we go back to the Home tab of the ribbon and go and have a look at our cell styles, because we've changed the theme and the color scheme, let's see what's happened here. You'll see that these styles are different to the ones that we saw when we first applied formatting to these cells. These are themed cell styles, so they will change according to the theme and the color scheme that you're using in a particular worksheet. One time that you're going to be concerned with using themes is when you're sharing data with other applications. If you had a PowerPoint presentation, for example, that had a theme applied to it, you might want to use that same theme, color scheme, and effect in Excel. Then when you copy a chart from Excel to PowerPoint, it will have the same look as your PowerPoint slide. In addition, in a business environment, you may be instructed to use a specific theme, font scheme, or even a color scheme. Then, for example, if you were working on a report and if various people were contributing worksheets and charts to the report, every one of these would look consistent because they would all use the same theme.